Have you ever wondered how chocolate is really made? From a bitter cocoa bean to the sweet bar you love? The journey begins in tropical countries like Ghana and Ivory Coast. These countries are where cocoa beans are grown the most. Farmers open the cocoa pods and remove the beans inside. The beans are fermented for several days. This step creates the chocolate flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun until they turn dark brown. The sun-drying process transforms raw beans into preserved treasures under the warm sun. Fresh cocoa beans are picked by farm workers and transported to the factory. Now the dried beans arrive at a modern chocolate factory. The beans are going into the roasting machine. They are roasted at high temperatures to enhance aroma and taste. After roasting, the shells are removed, leaving cocoa nibs. Leaving cocoa nibs going to another state. The nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor. To make milk chocolate, sugar and milk powder are added. Then comes conching, a special mixing process that makes chocolate silky smooth. Next is tempering, carefully heating and cooling the chocolate. The chocolate is poured into molds and cooled. Next, the bars are going to the packaging stage. Finally, the bars are wrapped and packaged for stores worldwide. And that's how chocolate is made. Now tell me, do you prefer dark or milk chocolate? Subscribe this channel for more interesting video.